Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inshallah, today we are going to learn Ad-Dars Thaniya Ashara, 12th lesson. 12th. Okay. Ashara, 10. Thaniya means second. That means 10 plus second. 12th. 12th lesson. In this lesson, what we are going to learn is in 11th lesson, we have learned Anta and Ka, correct? Anta and Ka. Anta means you, Ka, it is a yours. Baituka means yours house. But these two are masculine. These two are masculine. Today, we are going to learn feminine of the Anta and Ka. Feminine is Anti. Feminine is Anti. Anta, Anti. Anti, Kasra. Then Ki. Ki means yours but feminine. Ka means yours but masculine. Kaifa haluki ya bintu. Bintu means girl. Oh girl, kaifa, how? Your situation. Hal means situation. Ki, because bintu, girl, is a feminine noun. So we have to use ki. If it is a waladu, waladu means boy. Then you have to use ka. Correct? Kaifa haluki ya binti. How is your situation, O girl? Actually, how are you, O girl? Okay. Kaifa haluki ya binti means how are you, O girl? If it is a masculine, then we have to use Kaifa haluka ya Muhammad, ya Sufyan, ya Ikrima. So, Kaifa haluka. If it is a feminine, Kaifa haluki ya ummi. Ya ummi means my father, my mother. Kaifa haluki, we have to use ki. The same if you want to ask to your father, right? Kaifa haluka ya abi. Oh my father, how are you? Kaifa haluka. Similarly, assalamu alayka. Assalamu alayka, right? Assalamu alayka. That is also ka is masculine. If you want to say feminine, right, you can use assalamu alayki. Assalamu alayka. Ala plus ka. That one is ala plus ka. Alayka. Alaykum is plural. Alayka means masculine. If you want to say assalamu alayki, singular, to feminine, if you want to say to your mother or girl, then you have to use assalamu alayki. If you say assalamu alaykum, is a plural, okay? Assalamu alayka. For girl or feminine, assalamu alayki. Ana bi khair. Ana bi khairin. I am good. I am with good. That means I am good. Walhamdulillah. We already seen that if you see Allah like this, that means it's a li Allah, okay? Lillah. If you See the alif, that means Allahu. We have to read as Allah. If no alif, then you have to read as Lillah. Walhamdu, alif is Hamzatul Wasl. So we join this. Walhamdulillah. Walhamdu lillahi. Why? Li is harful jar, belongs to Allah. I am in good. Basically, say I am good. Balhamdulillah. All praises belongs to Allah. To Allah or belongs to Allah. So, kaifa haluki ya bintu? Oh girl, how are you? Haluki is because of feminine. Ana bi khairin walhamdulillah. Ana bi khairin walhamdulillah. I am good. Walhamdulillah. All praises to Allah. Next. Min aina anti. Previously we have learned anta. Anta is you. Anti is feminine. You. Again, the meaning is same, you, but it's specific to feminine. Min aina, from where? Anti, you. Where are you from? Okay. Min, from. Aina, where. Anti, you. Is because girl, so we are using anti. Min aina anti, where are you from? Ana min Surya. Ana min Surya. I am from Syria. Surya means Syria. Masmuki. Masmuka, to a boy or male, we have to use masmuka. Ma ismuka. Ma what? Ma means what here. Ma indi means negation ma. Ma indi, mali. It's a negation. Masmuki, it's a what is your name? What is your name? Masmuki. What is your name? Ismi Aminatu. Ismi Aminatu. My name is Amina. My name is Amina. Aminatu is because of feminine. Name doesn't take tanween. Ismi, my name is Amina. Aina abuki. Where is your father? Abun akhun. If you join these two words with ad-damirul muttasila, we have to add one waw. Correct? Except for E, abi. Abi, you don't need to add the extra waw because the B kasra is already related to ya. Correct? Matching to ya. Abuki. Aina abuki. Where is your father? Abi, my father. Huna, here. Fil Madinatil Munawwarati. Abi, my father. Huna, here. Fil Madinatil Munawwarati. In Madinatul Munawwara. In Madinatul Munawwara. My father is here in Madinatul Munawwara. Huwa mufattishun fil madrasati thanawiyati. Huwa, he is. Huwa, he is. Mufattishun. Mufattish means inspector. Okay, school inspector. Okay, not police inspector. It's a school inspection inspector. Huwa, he is mufattishun. This is shadda, you put shadda, okay. Mufattishun fil madrasati thanawiyati. Thanawiya, secondary. Madrasa, school. Fi, in. He is inspector in secondary school. He is inspector in secondary school. Aina abuki? Where is your father? Abi huna fil madinatil munawwarati. My father is here in Madinatul Munawwara. Huwa mufattishun fil madrasati thanawiyyati. He is a inspector in secondary school. Wa aina ummuki? Wa aina ummuki? And where is your mother? Here all we are using ki is because of feminine. We are talking to a girl. Her name is Amina. Okay. If we are talking to a male or a boy, then we have to use ka. Okay. Wa aina ummuki? And where is your mother? And where is your mother? Here, أيضا هنا. Here, she. أيضا, also. هنا, here. She's also here. She is also here. هي طبيبة في مستشفى الولادة. Here, she is طبيبة, doctor. She's a doctor. في, in. Mustashfa, hospital. Mustashfa, hospital. She is doctor in the hospital. Viladati means birth. Mauludun Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam is a birth related. Walada, okay? Maulud, vilada. Vilada means birth. Birth hospital, that means maternity hospital. She is a doctor in maternity hospital. Woman, here wa aina ummuki? And where is your mother? Here aidan huna, she is also here. Hiya tabibatun fi mustashfa al-wiladati. She is a doctor in maternity hospital. وَمَنْ هَذِهِ الْفَتَاةُ الَّتِي مَعَكِ? In lesson 11, we have learned ma'aka, with you. Ma'aki, same meaning, with you, but it is pointing to a girl. Waman, and who is hadihil fatatu? Fatan means young man. Fatan, we have learned. Fatan, young man. Fatan, correct? In lesson 11, we have learned this fatan. Fatatu means it's a feminine, young girls, young woman. Young girl or young woman, women. وَمَنْ هَذِهِ الْفَتَاةُ الَّتِي مَعَكِ? And who is the young girl? الَّتِي. Previously we have learned alladhi. Alladhi, right? Alladhi is a masculine. Alladhi, who is or which is. We have learned, right? Alladhi. Alladhi ma'aka. This is a masculine. The feminine form of this is allati. Allati. Allati is same meaning, which is or who, but related to feminine. Sorry, related to feminine. So allati, who is ma'aki, with you. وَمَنْ هَذِهِ الْفَتَاةُ الَّتِي مَعَكِ? And who is this girl, this young woman, young girl, who is with you? Ahiya ukhtuki. Ahiya. A means Hamzatul Istifham. Ahiya. Is she? Is she? Ukhtuki. Ukhtun. Sister. Ki. Your. Is she your sister? La. Hiya bintu ammi. La. Hiya bintu ammi. No. She is my uncle's daughter. She is my uncle's daughter. وَمَنْ هَذِهِ الْفَتَاةُ الَّتِي مَعَكِ. And who is this young girl or young woman who is with you? أَهِيَ أُخْتُكِ. Is she your sister? La. Hiya bintu ammi. She is my uncle's daughter. That means cousin. Okay. If you want to translate in the nice way, she is my cousin. La, hiya bintu ammi. No, she is my uncle's daughter. Masmuha. Ma ismuha. Masmuha, because Hamza is Hamzatul Wasl. We will not read it if it comes in between the words or sentence. Masmuha, what is her name? Masmuha, what is her name? Ismuha Fatimatu. Her name is Fatima. Masmuha, what is her name? Ismuha Fatimatu. Her name is Fatima. Next. Ahiya zamilatuki. Ahiya, is she? Zamilatu. Zamilun, classmate. Zamilatun, classmate, but girl, feminine form. Ki, is she your classmate? Then the answer is going to the next page. Okay. Before going to the next page, shall we read this one time together? Read loudly. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. الدرس الثاني عشر. الدرس الثاني عشر. 12th lesson. كيف حالك يا بنت؟ كيف حالك يا بنت؟ Oh girl, how are you? How is your situation? Hal means situation, how is your condition? But it's nice way, how are you? Ana bikhair, I am good. I am in good. Be is with good or in good. I am good. Walhamdulillah. All praises to Allah. Min aina anti. Min aina anti. Where are you from? Ana min Syria. I am from Syria. I am from Syria. Masmuki. What is your name? Ismi Aminatu. Ismi Aminatu. My name is Amina. Aina abuki. Where is your father? Abi huna fil madinatil munawwarati. My father is here in Madinatul Munawwara. Huwa mufattishun fil madrasati thanawiyati. He's an inspector in secondary school. Huwa inspector in secondary school. Wa aina ummuki? Wa aina ummuki? And where is your mother? Hiya aidan huna. She's also here. Hiya tabibatun fi mustashfal wiladati. Hiya tabibatun fi mustashfal wiladati. She's also here. She is a doctor in maternity hospital. ومن هذه الفتاة التي معك ومن هذه الفتاة التي معك أهي أختك أهي أختك and who is this young woman young girl who is with you? Is she your sister? لا هي بنت عمي. لا هي بنت عمي. No, she is my uncle's daughter. She is my cousin. ما اسمها? What is her name? ما اسمها? What is her name? اسمها فاطمة. اسمها فاطمة. Her name is Fatima. أهي زميلتك؟ أهي زميلتك? Is she your classmate? Okay. So in this lesson, we have learned if it is a feminine, ka become ki. Then secondly, anta is you, anti is also you, but feminine form. Okay. Then thirdly, allati. Allati is who or which, is feminine form of alladhi. Feminine form of alladhi. Alladhi we have to use for masculine words, masculine nouns. For feminines, we have to use allati. So these three things we have learned in this page. Let's read once again in the same page, but only Arabic, okay? Only Arabic. This is to practice our Arabic pronunciation, okay? And reading skill, improve the reading skill. الدرس الثاني عشر. الدرس الثاني عشر. كيف حالك يا بنت؟ أنا بخير والحمد لله. من أين أنت؟ أنا من سوريا. ما اسمك؟ اسمي آمنة. أين أبوك؟ أبي هنا في المدينة المنورة، هو مفتش في المدرسة الثانوية. أبي هنا في أبي هنا في المدينة المنورة، هو مفتش في المدرسة الثانوية. وأين أمك؟ وأين أمك؟ هي أيضا هنا، هي طبيبة في مستشفى الولادة. هي أيضا هنا، هي طبيبة في مستشفى الولادة. ومن هذه الفتاة التي معك؟ ومن هذه الفتاة التي معك؟ أهي أختك؟ أهي أختك؟ لا هي بنت عمي. لا هي بنت عمي. ما اسمها؟ ما اسمها؟ اسمها فاطمة. اسمها فاطمة. أهي زميلتك؟ أهي زميلتك؟ The answer to the أهي زميلتك is she your classmate? لا أنا في المدرسة المتوسطة وهي في المدرسة الثانوية. لا no أنا I am في in المدرسة المتوسطة. وسطى وسط means middle. وسط or وسطى middle. متوسطة middle school. I am in middle school wa, and here she is fi in madrasati thanaviyati. Thanaviya means secondary. Thani, secondary school. La ana fil madrasatil mutawassitati. I am in middle school. Middle school. Wahiya, and she is in secondary school. La ana fil madrasatil mutawassitati. Wahiya fil madrasati thanawiyati. No, I am in middle school and she is in secondary school. Alaki ukhtun. Alaki ukhtun. Do you have sister? Do you have a sister? La, no. Mali ukhtun. Here ma is for negation. Huh? Mali ukhtun. No, I don't have a sister. Alaki ukhtun. Do you have a sister? La, mali ukhtun. No, I do not have a sister. Alaki akhun. Alaki akhun. Do you have a brother? Alaki akhun. Do you have a brother? Naam. Yes. Li akhun kabirun wa huwa talibun bil jami'ati. Li, I have. To me. To me. Here, to you. Lucky, to you. To me. Or do you have? Or I have. Li, I have. To me. Akhun. Kabirun. Big brother. Kabir, big. Akhun, brother. I have a big brother. That means elder brother. Wahuwa, he is talibun bil jami'ati. Student in university. Wahuwa, he is talibun bil jami'ati. Student in the university. Alaki akhun. Do you have a brother? Naam. Yes. Li akhun kabirun. I have a elder brother, big brother. Wahuwa talibun bil jami'ati. And he is a student in university. In the university. وَمَنْ هَذَا الطِّفْلُ الَّذِي مَعَكِ. Tifl is child, but masculine. If feminine, we have to use tiflatun ta. Since it's a masculine, we have to use alladhi. We have to use alladhi. We have learned in this lesson, right? Anta ka, feminine form is anti ki. Alladhi, feminine form is allati. Who is, which is. Tifl is masculine, so alladhi, baby boy. Baby girl, we have to use child. Tiflatun. Ta, we have to include ta. وَمَنْ هَذَا الطِّفْلُ الَّذِي مَعَكِ. And who is this? Man, who? هذا الطفل, this child. الذي معك, who is with you. هو ابن أخي. هو ابن أخي. He is my brother's son. Ibnu, son. Huwa, he is Ibnu Akhi, my brother's son. When you read Hamzatul Wasl, so we have to skip the Hamzatul Wasl. Huwa ibnu Akhi. He is my brother's son. Masmuhu. Masmuhu. What is his name? Who? His name. Masmuhu. What is his name? Ismuhu. This is who, okay? Ismuhu Sa'adun. Ismuhu Sa'adun. His name is Sa'ad. His name is Sa'ad. Ummuki fil baytil an. This is Alifa. Ummuki is your mother fil bayti in the house. In the house. Al-an now. Is your mother in the house now? Ummuki fil baytil an. Is your mother in the house now? La. No. ذهبت إلى المستشفى. She went to the hospital. She went to the hospital. Okay. ذهبت is a feminine form of ذهب. Okay. We have learned earlier ذهب. Correct? ذهب means he went. ذهب. He went. ذهبت is she went. ذهبت. ذهبت means she went. You went, we have already learned in the lesson 11. ذهبت. ذهبت means you went. Okay. So ذهب, he went. ذهبت, she went. ذهبت, you went. If you want to say the same pattern, you can apply to other verbs also. For example, jalasa. Jalasa, he sat. If you want to say she sat, jalasat. Jalasat. Jalasa means he sat. Jalasat means she sat. You sat, that means jalasta. Jalasta. So you can copy the same pattern to other verbs to change the third person to a second person and masculine, feminine. If you copy the pattern, you can apply to other words also. Okay. So ذهبت means she went. She went to hospital. Ila mustashfa. Mustashfa, ila is harful jar, but still we are not giving kasra here, is because this is ismul maqsur. Those ending with alif and the letter before takes fataha. This kind of nouns are considered ismul maqsur. This will not take kasra. Okay. La. ذهبت إلى مستشفى. ذهبت إلى مستشفى. She went to hospital. She went to hospital. That's it. So in this page, we have learned a new thing is ذهبت. ذهبت is feminine form of ذهب. She went. Okay. Let's read the second page once again. Then we will do a full revision of this lesson. Okay. Ahiya zamilatuki. Is she your classmate. لا, no. أنا في المدرسة المتوسطة. I am in middle school. متوسطة middle. وهي في المدرسة الثانوية. You can say along with me. Okay, you can read along with me. لا, no. أنا في المدرسة المتوسطة وهي في المدرسة الثانوية. I'm in the middle school and she is in the secondary school. ألك أخت? Do you have a sister? ألك أخت? Do you have a sister? لا, ما لي أخت. No, I don't have a sister. ألك أخ? Do you have a brother? نعم, yes. لي أخ كبير. I have a elder brother, big brother. وهو طالب بالجامعة. He is a student in the university. He's a student in the university. ومن هذا الطفل الذي معك؟ ومن هذا الطفل الذي معك? And who is this child who is with you? And who is this child who is with you? هو ابن أخي. هو ابن أخي. He is my brother's son. ما اسمه؟ ما اسمه؟ اسمه سعد. اسمه سعد. His name is Saad. What is his name? اسمه سعد. His name is Saad. أأمك في البيت الآن؟ أأمك في البيت الآن? Is your mother in the house now? لا, ذهبت إلى المستشفى. No, she went to hospital. She went to hospital. Let's read once again the whole lesson. We can just read the Arabic. Make sure you can understand the meaning. If you don't understand immediately, put an underline of that word. And after the class, just repeat the word 5 to 10 times with the meaning, then you can be familiar with it. Okay. الدرس الثاني عشر. الدرس الثاني عشر. Read loudly along with me. كيف حالك يا بنت؟ كيف حالك يا بنت؟ أنا بخير والحمد لله. أنا بخير والحمد لله. من أين أنت؟ من أين أنت؟ أنا من سوريا. أنا من سوريا. ما اسمك؟ اسمي آمنة. اسمي آمنة. أين أبوك؟ أبي هنا في المدينة المنورة. أبي هنا في المدينة المنورة. هو مفتش في المدرسة الثانوية. هو مفتش في المدرسة الثانوية. وأين أمك؟ وأين أمك؟ هي أيضا هنا. هي طبيبة في مستشفى الولادة. هي أيضا هنا. هي طبيبة في مستشفى الولادة. ومن هذه الفتاة التي معك؟ ومن هذه الفتاة التي معك؟ أهي أختك؟ ومن هذه الفتاة التي معك؟ أهي أختك؟ لا، هي بنت عمي. لا، هي بنت عمي. ما اسمها؟ اسمها فاطمة. ما اسمها؟ اسمها فاطمة. أهي زميلتك؟ أهي زميلتك؟ لا، أنا في المدرسة المتوسطة وهي في المدرسة الثانوية. لا، أنا في المدرسة المتوسطة وهي في المدرسة الثانوية. لا، أنا في المدرسة المتوسطة وهي في المدرسة الثانوية. ألك أخت؟ ألك أخت؟ لا، ما لي أخت. لا، ما لي أخت. ألك أخ؟ ألك أخ؟ نعم، لي أخ كبير وهو طالب بالجامعة. نعم، لي أخ كبير وهو طالب بالجامعة. نعم، لي أخ كبير وهو طالب بالجامعة. ومن هذا الطفل الذي معك؟ ومن هذا الطفل الذي معك؟ هو ابن أخي. هو ابن أخي. ما اسمه؟ ما اسمه؟ اسمه سعد. اسمه سعد. أأمك في البيت الآن؟ أأمك في البيت الآن؟ لا، ذهبت إلى المستشفى. لا، ذهبت إلى المستشفى. خير، الحمد لله. So in this lesson we have learned feminine form of anta and ka, which is anti and ki. And secondly, feminine form of alladhi, meaning who or which. Feminine form of alladhi is allati. Then thirdly, we have learned dhahabat is a feminine form of dhahaba. Dhahaba, he went. Dhahabat, she went. Dhahabta, you went. Okay. Okay. Tamarin, exercises. Okay. Exercises. Iqra waktub. Read and write. Kaifa haluka ya abi? How are you, oh my father? Since it's a father, we have to use haluka. We have to use haluka. Kaifa haluka ya abi? Because abi is a masculine. You are talking to your father. So ka. You look at here. Kaifa haluki ya ummi. Ummi is feminine, so you have to use ki. Kaifa haluka ya abi? How are you, my father? Kaifa haluki ya ummi? How are you, oh my brother, my mother? Third. Aina bunaka ya Zainabu? Aina bunaka? Ibnaka. Aina bunuka? Aina where? Ibnuka, your son. Ya Zainabu. O Zainab, where is your son? He went, we have to use dhahaba. She went, we have to use dhahabat. Here we are asking about son. In next sentence, we are going to ask, where is your daughter? So in that place, we have to answer dhahabat, she went. Aina bunuka ya Zainabu? O Zainab, where is your son? Dhahaba ilal masjidi. He went to the masjid. He went to the masjid. Fourth. Aina bintuka ya Aminatu? Where, sorry, Amina supposed to be bintuki. Aina bunuki. Okay, because we are talking to Zainab and Amina. Aina bunuki ya Zainabu? Dhahaba ilal masjidi. Aina bintuki ya Aminatu? Where is your daughter, O Amina? Dhahabat ilal madrasati. She went to the school. Okay. Fifth one. Liman hadhihi sa'atul jamilatu. Liman whose? Hadhihi sa'atul jamila. Jamilatu beautiful. Sa'atu watch. Hadhihi this. Whose is this beautiful watch? Ahiya laki ya Fatimatu. Why lucky? Because we are talking to Fatima. Ahiya laki ya Fatimatu. Is it yours, O Fatima? Belongs to you? Is it yours, O Fatima? Naam, hiyali. Yes, it is mine. It is mine. Belongs to me. That means it is mine. Ahada kalamuka ya Muhammad. Now we are talking to Muhammad. So we have to put fataha. Kalamuka. Ahada kalamuka ya Muhammadu. O Muhammad, is this your pen? La hada kalamuka anta. No, this is your pen. You see here, kalamuka, your pen, anta also you. This is to give the ta'kid. That means give the emphasis. So we have, if we use both, ki, ka, anta, kalamuki, anti. If you use two words, two pronouns, that means is to give a emphasis. La, hada kalamuka anta. This is yours pen. Hada kalamuka anta. This is yours pen. Yours pen is, this anta is give the emphasis. Tilka sayyaratul jamilatu. That. Tilka is feminine form of dhalika, correct? Tilka sayyaratul jamilatu. That beautiful car is allati. Because sayyaratu is feminine form, so we have to use allati. Don't use alladhi. That will be for masculine. Allati, which is kharajat. You see? Dhahabat, we have seen. Here, kharajat. Why? Sayyaratu is feminine form. Kharajat. It's went out al-an. Al-an went out now. Minal madrasati, from the school. Lil mudiri, it is belongs to a principal. Lil mudiri, it is belongs to a principal. Tilka sayyaratul jamilatu. That beautiful car which is went out just now from the school. Lil mudiri, belongs to a principal. 8. Anta muhandisun ya sayyidi. Ya sayyidi is a sir. Sayyidati is madam. Sayyidi means sir. Sayyidati is madam. Anta muhandisun ya sayyidi. Oh sir, are you a engineer? La ana tabibun. No, I am a doctor. No, I am a doctor. Anti tabibatun ya sayyidati. Are you? You see, anta for masculine, for feminine, we have to use anti. Anti tabibatun ya sayyidati. Oh madam, are you a doctor? La ana mudarrisatun. No, I am a teacher. No, I'm a teacher. Next. يقرأ كل جملة من الجمل الآتية. Read every sentence min jumal al-atiyati, from the following sentences. We have to read all the sentences. Thumma, then, iqraha marratan ukhra. Then we have to read it once again. Thumma, then, iqraha, read it. Marratan ukhra means once again, one more time. Marratan time. Ukhra na another time, one more time. Ba'da tagayyuril munada. Munada means this ya, right? Ya we will call harf nida. Okay, I think we have already learned. Ya is harf nida, is calling, to use for call somebody. Okay. Harf nida. Nida. This, the name which is we are using with the harf nida, right? Which is called munada, which is called munada. The person who called. The person who called. If you are going to call, oh sir, then the sir is the person who is called, who's being called. Then, oh brother. Here, O is a harf nida. Harf nida means the word, the word we are using for the calling. O. Munada means the name which is being called. Ba'da means after. After changing the munada. Munada, the person name which is being called. Kama huwa, like the one, it is muwaddihun, explain fil mithal. It is explained in the example. Let's read the mithal. Aina kalamuka ya abi. Aina kalamuka ya abi. Where is your pen, oh my father? You see here, Aina kalamuki ya mummi. Here is all masculine. So you have to change it to feminine. That's it. Aina kalamuka, because it's a abi. Here, Aina kalamuki, you have to change it to feminine. Ya ummi. Aina kalamuki, ya ummi. Oh, my mother, where is your pen? So you have to change the ka to ki. Same here. A'indaka kalamun ya Muhammad. A'indaka kalamun ya Muhammad. Oh Muhammad, do you have pen? Here you have to ask, oh Amina, do you have a pen? Then you just change ka to ki. Okay. You take this as a homework, today's homework. Aina bintuka ya sayyidari. Oh sir, where is your, sorry, baituka, where is your house? Here you have to use, oh sir, oh madam, where is your house? Ahada daftaru, ahada daftaru, is this notebook? Laka ya aliyu, oh Ali, is this book belongs to you? Is this notebook belongs to you? You have to make it, ya Fatima, oh Fatima, is this notebook belongs to you? Just change the la ka to ki, does it? Min aina anta ya akhi? Where are you from, oh my brother? So you have to change min aina anti ya ukhti. Aina abuka ya Khalid? Oh Khalid, where is your father? Then here you change to, you are talking to Khadija. Oh Khadija, where is your father? You have to write it here. Anta maridun ya Khali. Khali means mother, sister. Khal, Khalun means mother's brother. It can be a elder brother. Actually, it's a uncle. Ammun is a father's brother and father's father's brother. Khal is a mother's brother. That means brother of our mother. Ammun is brother of our father. Khal, uncle. Oh uncle, are you sick? Maridun, sick. Then here khalati. Khalati is again auntie, but our mother's sisters. Okay. It can be elder sister or younger sister. Aina bintuka ya ammi. Where is, you see here, ammu. Khal, ammu. Both are in English, uncle. Khalati, ammati. Ammati, my auntie. Khalati, my auntie. But the difference is, Khal means mother's brother and mother's sister. Ammi is father's, our father's brother and our father's sister. Okay, then next. Alaka akhun ya Hamidu. Oh Hamid, do you have a brother? Then here you change Suad is a girl name, okay? Do you have a brother Oswald? Mada indaka ya akhi? What is with you, oh my brother? Then you have to change it here. What is with you, oh my sister? Assalamu alayka ya abi. You see here, assalamu alayka. Ka is singular, huh? Masculine. Ummi, assalamu alayki ya ummi. Okay. Inshallah, you take this as a today's homework. Read and write both with the translation. Inshallah, we will see the exercise 3 from next tomorrow, inshallah.